Hi boys and girls, welcome to Wednesday's YouTube video. Today we're going to be having a little look at how you can practice your multiplication at home, and Miss Duncan will go over some multiplication strategies to help you as well over the next few weeks, okay? There are many ways to work out multiplication sums and different strategies. The first one I'm going to go over is grouping, okay? So 2 times 7 is the same as 2 groups of 7. So you can use circles and dots to help you. So I've done 2 circles for the amount of groups we have, which is 2. Then I've put 7 in each group, and then you can count the total. So we've got 7 here, and I know that 7 add 7 equals 14. So that gives you the answer to 2 times 7. We can also use fact families to help us as well. So we know that 4 times 8 is 32 because we know our 4 times table. So when you get onto your 8 times table, you know that 8 times 4 will be 32 as well. The same would work out if you were doing, let's say, 4 times 9, we know is 36. So 9 times 4 would be 36, okay? So that can help you with that as well. We can also look at arrays to help us as well. So we've got 6 times 8. So I've done, going down the way, 6 dots, and then 8 dots going across the way. And I've repeated this 6 times. So then we can count the dots to get the answer. So I've got 8, add another 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 8. And I've counted that out, and I know the answer is 48. I've done the same for 4 times 7, and I know that the answer will be 28, okay? Same here, 9 times 6 is the same as saying 9 lots of 6. So I've got 9 groups or lots, and I've put 6 in each circle. Again, I've used the dots and circles method, and that gives me 54. We can also count in numbers to help us as well. For this example, I'm going to use the 3 times table. So we're going to count in threes, okay? So I'm going to start with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and then 36, okay? So that's the first 12 numbers if we're counting in threes. So this would be number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if I wanted to know, let's say I wanted to know what 9 times 3 is, I would go to the 9th number, and I would know that it would equal 27, okay? So we can also count in the number of the times table we're doing to help us answer our questions. We can also use repeated addition. So 6 times 6 is the same as adding 6 together 6 times. So you're doing 6, add 6, add 6, add 6, add 6, add 6, and that gives you 36. The same would happen if you were doing, let's say you were doing 8 times 8. So that's adding 8 together 8 times, which would give you 64. Let's say you were doing 4 times 5. So you're adding 4 together 5 times, and that would give you 20. So repeated addition can also be a strategy to help you with your multiplication work as well. You can also go online and use different resources to help you with your multiplication work. You can go and hit the button and choose which times tables you want to practice. You can do mixed, or you can do a certain times table. You can do hit the question where it gives you the answer and you have to figure out what the question was. You could also go on to YouTube and search for different times tables songs to help you remember your times tables. There's some good ones to some pop songs like Uptown Funk for the 3 times table, and lots of different ones that can help you there as well. You can also go on to SumDog and practice on there. Miss Duncan's also put stuff up on Education City for you, on Purple Mash to help you with your times tables. Obviously, you've got SumDog. Your big maths work will help you with that. Your click tests and your learn its as well will also help you with your times table. So there's lots of things to keep you busy there. If you have any questions or if you've got any work to send in, remember to pop it into Teams and Miss Duncan will have a look at it. And keep practicing, see if you can challenge yourself all the way up to 12. If you want to, you can just write out your times tables and make sure you remember them. I've also given you the multiplication grid activity sheet to help you as well, so that should keep you busy as well. So lots of things for your times tables, okay? And there's the sheets on the drive to help you as well with your work too. So good luck, and I will see you tomorrow, boys and girls.